everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to remove video from watch history on your YouTube account. In fact, it's very easy and simple. So, please watch this video and let's jump right into this tutorial. Without any introductions, this is the video for you. So the first thing that you need to do is to open YouTube application, and here what you need to do is to go to library, and here in library we can tab on view all. And here, what you need to do is to tap on View All. Please tap on View All and tap on the three dots. Here, View History Controls. And now, please tap on Clear Watch History. And now you can remove this video or whatever video you like to remove. Tap on the three dots and now select remove from watch history. So there's the tutorial. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.